See here, comparison method means we can eliminate the variables by making the quotient same. If I take LCM, 2 is LCM, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So 2x minus 2x cancels. After you change the sign, it becomes plus 4y plus y is 5y. How to make quotient same? Multiply opposite terms. Means multiply quotient of x of first equation to the second. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with theory of equations, that is solving simultaneous equations containing two variables. In my last class, I taught you linear equation with one variable. Now we'll go for linear equation with two variables. Linear means degree 1 and two variables. Here you can see x and y. So solve the following equations by comparison method, substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Use any one of the methods and solve it. See here, comparison method means we can eliminate the variables by making the quotient same. See question 16, they gave x plus 2y is equal to 1, 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. So let us take x plus 2y is equal to 1, call it as equation 1, and 3x minus 2y is equal to 5, call it as equation 2. Dear students, here you can observe y quotients are same. Here also quotient of y is 2, but here it is negative. Equal and opposite. Whenever quotients are equal and opposite, directly you can add. If quotients are same, subtract. But here quotients numbers are same but sign are opposite. Either plus 2y, this is minus 2y. So when they are opposite signs, add them. So now we'll do add 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. If I add equation 1 and 2, when you add, sign does not change. So okay, when we add 1 and 2, 3x plus x is 4x and plus 2y minus 2y. Plus 2y minus 2y cancels. Then is equal to 1 plus 5 is 6. So 4x is equal to 6. From this, get the value of x. So 4x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 4. So x is equal to 2 2s are 2 3s are, x value is 3 by 2. You got value of x. Put the value of x in any one of the equation to get y value. I'll substitute x value in equation 1. So put method of substitution. Put x is equal to 3 by 2. We eliminated y here. We got x and we are putting x is equal to 3 by 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus 2y is equal to 1. In the place of x, put the value of x. So 3 by 2 plus 2y is equal to 1. Rearrange, transfer 3 by 2 to that side. So 2y is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. Further simplify. So 2y is equal to, if you take LCM, 2 is the LCM, 2 minus 3. So 2y is equal to minus 1 by 2. 2y is equals to minus 1 by 2. And y is minus 1 by 2 into 2. So y is 1 by 4. So now you got x and y values. X is 3 by 2, y is y value we got minus 1 by 4. So we solved the simultaneous equation by elimination. We eliminated y and we got x plus x is. So I am adding this 1 plus 5, all of you know 6. X plus 3x becomes 4x. Plus 2y minus 2y cancels and you will get x as what? 3 by 2. After you get x is equal to 3 by 2, put it in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus 2y equal to 1. So in the place of x, substitute x. Transfer that side to become 1 minus 3 by 2. If you take LCM, it will become minus 1 by 2 or y value become minus 1 by 4. After you get, we can verify. So now let us verify. So verification is not necessary. Just we'll see whether what we got is correct or not by substituting x and y. So now put the value of x and y. X is 3 by 2 and y is minus 1 by 4 in equation 1 LHS. What is equation 1? X plus 2y equal to 1. X plus 2y. LHS I took. I am substituting, so I should get RHS. So 3 by 2 plus 2 into minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Plus into minus is minus 1 by 2. If I take LCM, 2 is LCM, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So we got RHS. We took LHS and we got RHS. LHS we took and RHS we got. RHS is 1 and yes, We got RHS as 1. We're taking LHS. Therefore, what is the conclusion? So X and Y values we got. And X is what? 3 by 2 and Y is 1 by 4. And this part verification is not required, but verification is a good process. Why? Because whatever you got, you can verify whether you are correct or not. How to verify? Take LHS of any one equation. I took first equation, x plus 2y equal to 1. In this LHS is what? X plus 2y. In the place of x, I substituted the value of x, that is 3 by 2. In the place of y, I substituted value of y, and we got. I'm repeating, verification is not necessary, but verifying is a good process so that you will get confirmation that what you got is correct. Next, x plus 2y is equal to 7. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Please understand, here coefficients are not same. Now first task is we should make the coefficient same. So first equation, first let me consider the first equation. We call x plus 2y is equal to 7. Call it as equation 1. And second equation, 2x minus y equal to 4. Now observe, make the quotient same. Here quotient of x is 2. Here quotient of x is 1. So how to make this quotient 2? Multiply equation 1 by 2. First multiply equation 1 by 2. If you multiply that by 2, so it will become 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4y is equal to 2 7s are 14. So I am multiplying this whole equation. So what I have done? I have done multiplication. This whole equation 1 I multiplied by what? 2. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into 2y is 4y. 2 into 7 is 14. That's what we have done. I hope all of you got this. So now after you multiply, we got this equation. Call it as equation 3. Now observe equation 1 and 3. 1 and 3 both are having same quotient. What is the quotient of x? 2x. What is the quotient of x? 2x. So first our task is to make the quotient of x same. How to make the quotient of x same? Multiply the quotient of x of first equation to the second, second to the first. Here we have 1x. So multiply 1 to this, 1 into equation 2 is same, and multiply 2 to the first one. So now both are having same quotient, subtract them. So now what we'll do is, we'll do subtract 3 minus equation 3 minus equation 2. What is equation 3? Equation 3 we got 2x plus 4y. Equation 3 is 2x plus 4y is equal to 14. And equation 2 is 2x minus y is equal to 4. So now we'll subtract. When you subtract, sign changes. So 2x minus 2x cancels. After you change the sign, it becomes plus. 4y plus y is 5y. 14 plus 4 is 18. Now, sorry, subtracting. 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4 is 10. Now we got 5 value. 5y is exactly 10. And we need y. Y is what? 10 by 5. What is 10 by 5? Y is equal to 2. You got the value of y. So substitute y is equal to 2 in any one equation. So now put y value is equal to 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is this. X plus 2y equal to 7. X plus 2y equal to 7. In the place of y, put 2. Y plus 2 into 2 is equal to 7. So x plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Transfer 4 to RHS, it becomes 7 minus 4. X is equal to 3. So we got the values of x. Solve means find the unknowns. Two unknowns were there, x and y. We got both. So what is the answer? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to, I am repeating, verification is not necessary process, but always verify so that you can confirm with your answer. So now verification. We'll take LHS of equation 1. So equation 1, I am taking LHS. What is LHS? X plus 2y equal to x plus 2y. X plus 2y. And in the place of x and y, I'll substitute the values of x and y, whatever we got. X is 3, y is 2. X is 3, y is 2. So 3 plus 2 2s are 4, 7. 7. You check, this is RHS. What is RHS here? 7. So we got RHS. What is the conclusion? Conclusion is simple. LHS is equal to RHS means whatever the solutions you got, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 are right. So I hope all of you understood this. So problem ends here, but this is an extra process to check whether you are correct or not. Next we have the second question. See here, quotients are different. Quotient of x is 2 and quotient of x is 3. Quotient of y is minus 3. Quotient of y is 2. Any one quotient make it same. How to make quotient same? Multiply opposite terms. Means multiply quotient of x of first equation to the second and second equation to the first. So what is the first equation? So 2x minus 3y is equal to 19 is equation 1. What is the second equation? 3x plus 2y is equal to 9 is the second equation. And quotient of x of first is 3. Quotient of x is second is 2. Multiply them. So now what you should do? Opposite terms. What we will do? Multiply 3 to equation 1 and 2 to equation. Multiply 2 to equation 2. Opposite. So quotient of this I'll multiply for the second one. Quotient of this will multiply. So opposite will multiply. So if you do that, we'll have 3 into first equation. What is the first equation? 3 into first equation, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 3 into 19. Multiplying 3 2s are 6x, 3 into 3 minus 9y is equal to 19 into 3. It is 19, yes. 3, call it as equation 3. Now we got equation 3 by altering equation 1. What I have done, I multiplied equation 1 with 3. Why I should multiply with 3? Because I saw the quotient of equation 2. In equation 2, quotient of x is what? 3. So but it is 2. They will not match. So they are not matching. To make them same, multiply quotient of x of second equation to first equation. So what is second equation? Quotient of x 3. I am multiplying for first equation. I got this. So similarly, I should multiply 2 to what? Equation 2. I should multiply equation 2 to 2. So now I'll do 2 into equation 2. What is equation 2? 2 into equation 2 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. Multiply means what? Both sides I should multiply. With what? 2. Now simplify. 2 3s are 6x plus 2 2s are 4y. 2 9s are 18. Call it as equation 4. See here you can observe 3 and 4 both are having same quotients. Here also quotient of x is same. Here also quotient of x is same. Now we need to solve the simultaneous equations. Now going ahead. So 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. So what is 3? 6x minus 9y is equal to 57. This is equation 3 we got. And similarly, equation 4, 6x plus 4y equal to 18. So now you can see equation 3 and 4 both are having same quotients of x. So subtract them. So now perform 3 minus 4. When you subtract, I told you sign changes. So plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. 6x minus 6x cancels. Minus 9 minus 4 becomes minus 13y. And these two opposite terms, add them, subtract them. Sorry, 57 minus 18. 57 minus 18 after you change the sign. That will be 9, 13, 9. And y is equal to 13, 9. Into 13 transferred this side, so it will become divided by minus 13. Here into minus 13 sign does not change. Into comes this side, it will become divided by y is equal to plus by minus is minus. 13 ones are 13 threes are. So we got y value. 13 ones are 13 threes are, plus by minus is minus. Y value you got minus 3. Put y is equal to minus 3 in any one of the equation. So I will put y is equal to minus 3 in equation say 1. Equation 1. So what is equation 1? 2x minus 3y is equal to 19. 2x minus 3y is equal to 19. So in the place of x, substitute the value of x. Sorry, in the place of y, substitute the value of y. So 2x minus 3 into, what is y? Minus 3 is equal to what? 19. That is 2x plus 9 is equal to what? 19. So that is 2x is equal to what? 19 minus 9. That is 2x is equal to what? 10. Further, we need x. So 2x is equal to 10 and x is exactly 10 by 2. And 10 by 2 is what? 5. So now you got the value of x value is what? 5. And you also got the value of y value is what? Minus 3. So you got x and y. So you can verify by substitution. Put x and y value in any one of the equation, it will satisfy. Therefore, what is the answer? X is equal to minus 5 comma y is equal to minus 3. What we have done? We have done method of substitution. What is method of substitution? So x is positive 5. X is 5, y is minus 3. Substitute and verify in any equation. So here directly I'll take. So here x is what? 5. 3 5s are 15. And y is what? Minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. It will satisfy. If you want, you can verify. That's what I'm repeating. How to verify? So verification. So we'll take equation 2 or equation 1. I took equation 2 LHS. And in that, in the place of x we got 5, in the place of y we got minus 6, substituted. 15 minus 6, that is 9, we got RHS. We took LHS, we got RHS. So therefore, whatever we assumed, 5 and minus 3 or whatever we got the answer, they are right. Then we have question number 19. Again, make the quotient same. 10x minus 9y is 12. 3x minus 9 is 17. See here from the second equation, you can get x directly. Call this as 1, call this as 2. If this is the second equation, directly 3x is equal to what? 17 plus 9. So 3x is equal to what? 26. And x is equal to what? 26 by 3. That's it. And substitute in it. Put this x value in equation 1 to get it. I think there's an error in this particular problem. Okay, I think this is 9y. Let us take 9y. And take 9y and solve it, you will get the answer for problem 10. Same method. So here minus 9y directly you can subtract and solve. And let us go to 20th problem. Problem 20, x plus 2y is 4, 3x plus y is 9. Make the quotient same and solve by same method what we have done. So what you should do? You have to make the quotient same. How to make the quotient same? You have to make the quotient same. Observe the quotient. What is the quotient of x here? 1. But here 3. So just you multiply. Call this as equation 1. Call this as equation 2. And multiply equation 1 with 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. If you do that, it will become 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 2 is 6y. 3 4s are 12. Call it as equation 3. So now subtract 3 and 2. Subtract 3 and 2. So it will be 3 minus 2. If you do 3 minus 2, LHS minus LHS. What is 3? 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. And what is 2? 3x plus y is equal to 7. Subtract them. When you subtract, sign changes. X cancel. 6y minus y is 5y. And further, 12 minus 7 gives you 5. And put y value. 5y is y and y value is 5 by 5. Y value is 1. So you got y value as 1. Put y is equal to 1. Put y value is equal to 1 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus 2y equal to 4. And in the place of y, put the value of y. X plus 2 into 1 equal to 4. And x plus 2 is equal to 4. Or x is equal to 4 minus 2. And x is equal to what? 2. So you got x and y. Usually you can verify. So I hope you can do the problem. This multiply this with 3 and multiply this with 2 and try on your own. 21. And same technique, multiply this with 3, multiply this with what? 2, and go ahead. And I expect you people to solve all the problems of the exercise. I have given all the type of problems that I have prepared. So now till 25, and till 25, from 21, 5 problems are left out. Please sit and solve them and verify your answers. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.